This is how to get rich with house cleaning. So the house cleaning industry is a great industry to be involved with. There's lots and lots of client demand, and every week I come across new 7-figure businesses being created. However, what we want to make sure is that we're making lots of profits from our business. We want to make sure that we're not only building a large profit, but also building a large profitable business. And in this video, I'm going to take you through the 4 key points we need to make sure we have nailed down to maximize our profits. If we skip any of these, we'll be taking a hit. So let's jump straight into it. So first of all, do not underprice. This is a very, very common issue I come across with many startup businesses. And the very easy way to win new clients is to charge a lower price than your competition. But the issue with that is that if we charge a low price, there's not enough profit after paying for our cleaners to do that work, to reinvest in things like marketing, reinvest and have a nice website, or pay for our virtual assistants. And without those things in place, it is very difficult to grow your business. You'll end up being stuck at a very small level. So you need to price your jobs at a sufficiently high level to make sure that you're making enough profit to reinvest and ultimately to pay you as the business owner. So the level I tell people to focus in on is a 50% labor cost. So if we are charging a client $100, we do not want to be paying our cleaners more than $50 for that cleaning. And we want to maintain this percentage approach as we grow the business. And what that means is that no matter the size of the business, we'll be generating enough profit after we pay our cleaners to reinvest and grow the business, and importantly, to making us lots of money as the business owner. So do not underprice your cleaning service. Point 2 is then to focus on wealthy clients. This is perhaps a more obvious point, but it is something that many people miss. They try particularly early on just to say yes to everyone, take on clients that are asking for discounts, take on, high price, more quality focused clients, taking on lower price clients. And the reason we want to try to hold out for these wealthier clients is that wealthier clients will obviously pay a higher price. Price isn't their primary objective. Quality is generally more important for them. They want to make sure that if they hire a maid service, that company is going to come in at the time they schedule, do a great job. If there are any problems, the virtual assistant or the office manager will get back to them, address those problems. So the quality and the customer service piece for the wealthier clients tend to be a lot more important than pricing. If we compare that with, say, more budget-focused, price-conscious clients, obviously the price is more important. The value of that same amount of money for a wealthy client will be much higher for that more budget-focused client than, say, a wealthier client. So they're going to be generally more focused on what they are getting. If certain things are missed in a cleaning, that's going to be an issue. Maybe they ask for refunds or compensation, or maybe they have a very extensive checklist that isn't possible to be achieved and completed in the time allotted. So generally, more budget-focused, lower-priced clients tend to take more time management, tend to be asking for more refunds and compensation. So that is another reason we want to focus on the wealthier clients. The wealthier clients will be willing and able to pay a higher price, but also they will take less time in terms of management. So point 3 is that we want to treat our staff like rock stars. Ultimately, the cleaning industry is still one where we are managing people, managing our cleaning staff. And you will find that there is no better way to scale your business profitably than by having a pool of great cleaners on your books. Those cleaners, you need to obviously be making sure that you're paying them a fair rate, but you also want to make sure that they're being valued. They want to be felt like they're being valued by your company. You want to be checking in with them regularly, making sure that they're happy. Maybe you want to be taking them out for coffee every month and just having a general chat, building some sort of relationship with them. Because what you find is that if you have great cleaners in your business, your recurring clients, or the clients that they're cleaning for every week or every 2 weeks, will stay with you longer. You will also get referrals from that cleaner. So that client will refer their friends and family. So your cleaners are in effect part of your marketing channel. And if you flip that and, you know, maybe you are not engaging your workforce, or maybe you're not showing them enough love and attention, you will find that cleaners that are coming and going very quickly, cleaners that are leaving your business quickly, will often lead to an accelerated cancellation rate in your clients as well. And obviously, if we have clients canceling, it's that much more difficult to grow your business. You then have to try and find, you have to advertise and win new clients elsewhere that cost money. And that means that there's less money to reinvest in your business, or less money to pay you as the business owner. So you want to treat your staff like rock stars to get wealthy in this industry, because cleaners, high quality cleaners that stay with you for longer and refer their friends and family, will just mean that your clients stay with you for longer. And ultimately, your clients are the ones that are paying you your money. So fourth and finally is to find the marketing channels that are getting you the best returns. And again, this sounds obvious, but many people do not, really understand this point. So we want to be testing lots of different marketing channels, and we want to make sure that we're tracking the performance of those marketing channels very closely. It can't be a case of putting, say, $1,000 into Google Ads and not really getting a feel of how many leads, how many phone calls you're getting. It can't be based on gut feel. It can't be based on the fact that you feel that things have been busier last week, so we'll keep going. Or, we put, $500 into Facebook this next week and it was a bit quieter, so Facebook ads doesn't work. We can't get into that position. We need to track our online inquiries closely. We need to track our phone calls closely. And we want to run a test across multiple different marketing channels. Our online marketing channels, Google Ads, Facebook, Yelp ads, but we also want to test offline channels. We want to test door hangers. We want to test flyering. And we want to make sure that we can get to a position where we can say, okay, we spent this $1,000 on this channel and we got X number of leads back. Our cost per lead is that. And we want to get ideally into a position where we can rank every single marketing channel. And what we do with that information is we then focus on the top channel. We want to max that channel out. And depending on the number of leads and clients we want from that particular month, if we are maxing out the leads from that particular channel, let's say it's Google Ads, then we want to move to number 2. Maybe it's Facebook ads, and then we'll put money into that. So we want to have a very clear rank of all our marketing channels. We want to have tracked them carefully so we know without any ambiguity what is performing best and where our money is being most effectively used. So fourth, we need to track our marketing channels and figure out which are the top performers. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button. It really, really helps me. In this next video, I'm going to talk about marketing in a bit more detail. As I said, figuring out which marketing channels are performing best in your business is going to be a key driver in growing your cleaning business. So in this next video, I'm going to talk about what I think are the 5 best marketing channels in your cleaning business. So click on the next video and I'll see you there.